I want to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's project. I'm sharing a cute and cozy gift basket that I made for less than $10. Take a look at what I pulled together and how I easily personalized this Dollar Tree gift basket with Cricut. I headed to Dollar Tree to gather supplies for this gift basket. At Dollar Tree, I picked up this red basket and a few cozy items to fill it with. After looking around the store, I opted for a red theme with cozy pieces and some indulgent treats. If you like simple crafts like this, consider subscribing to Creative Ramblings for new ideas and videos every week. I plan to embellish the mug, the candle lid, and the side of the basket with scraps of vinyl and my Cricut. This process will take a basic gift and make it unique using a super affordable method of personalization. I'll grab a few scraps of permanent vinyl from my stash so I know what I have to work with. Now let's head over to Cricut Design Space and create the personalized decals for this project. Design Space comes with your Cricut machine and it's free and easy to learn. The cozy season graphic is going to go on top of the candle. So I'm creating a 2-inch circle, the size of the candle lid, then layering the words over the circle. Now I can select both pieces and choose Slice to create a cutout effect. For the mug, I'm adding the words sweater weather. I'm going to create a rectangle the size of the mug so I know just how big to make the design. Then I can delete the rectangle. I'll use the same process for the foliage. I'll create a rectangle so I can size the graphic and duplicate it just right for the side of the red basket. I want to cut these designs out of black and white vinyl, so I'm setting the vinyl color on my canvas before hitting the Make It button. This will group the designs onto a mat by color. Since I'm using scraps, I want to make sure the designs are laid out on the mat so that they're cut from the scrap material. I'm able to easily move them around here before I'm ready to cut. Now I just choose the appropriate material, in this case permanent glossy vinyl, and I'm ready to cut. You can find this project linked down in the description if you want to use these exact designs. Or follow along this tutorial and create your own. Once all 3 designs are cut, I need to weed out any excess material. I'm even saving a little square of this black vinyl and putting it back in my scrap drawer for the next project. Starting with the candle, I need to peel off the existing label and clean the lid. Then I can use transfer tape to move my design from the backing to the lid. I like to reuse my transfer tape if I can. As long as it's the right size, you can use this for all the designs in a single project. That's really going to help you stretch a roll of transfer tape. Now I'll follow the same steps for the mug and the red basket. These 3 items have been updated with black and white Cricut vinyl scraps, and they look so good. This simple project takes a basic Dollar Tree basket and elevates it to a personalized gift. Now let's put it all together. A Cricut machine, like my Maker 3, is a great investment. This machine helps you make all kinds of professional-looking projects. I love that I can create gifts on a budget for any occasion. How cute is this gift? Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to check out my go-to tools and materials down in the description of this video. If you like simple projects like this one, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.